What is up, you guys? Pete DiCarlo here, and today we're going to be talking about NVIDIA doing a slight update, also going over AMD. Both of them are setting up relatively the same. Both of those trades are still on the table. I actually closed out my NVIDIA position this week, and I actually opened up an AMD position this week. We're going to go over why for both of those. We're going to go over where I see them going, and ultimately, if we were to snap a support, where we would be going. Guys, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, check out our Discord. It's completely free. The link is in the description. You guys get access to tons of free courses, live streams, seminars, webinars, and the best unusual options bot out there. So if you guys want access to dark pools, unusual flow, as well as heat maps, you guys can go and use it. It's a $200 a month server that we pay for from TradyTix for them to send us that information, and we give it to you guys for free. And if you guys want to check out how I trade and exactly what I trade, you guys can do that by checking out all of my positions. So far in the past week, I have closed out $3,610 in profits, taken 21 trades. 4 of them have been losers. It's $20 a month. You guys can upgrade on the Discord, get access to all of our trades. Now, let's take a look at NVIDIA. Not much has changed. Honestly, we are still in this massive bull flag. We're still sitting within this range. We're still holding this major support at 275, but we did reject up here at 304 earlier in the week when the Fed minutes were released, and since then we are holding this support. Now, RSI still pointing down, not looking the best, but still holding. MACD looking like we were going to cross and try to break out, but then we had Fed minutes released. The market wasn't happy, threw a temper tantrum, and the TTM is squeezing very, very hard. Now, one good thing and one bad thing. Let's look at the bull and the bear side. Bull side, we're still holding this very good, strong support. We still have good volume in the stock, and we still have a very, very strong bull flag forming here that we've basically broken out on a bull flag every single time. If you look, bull flag back here in May, bull flag back here in August, bull flag in September, bull flag now. What are some bear things? Well, the number one bearish thing is that we have a massive gap down here. So there's not a gap necessarily in the price. We do have a gap down here at 234 in the price, but what I'm more so worried about is this low gap in volume. You guys know, and if you don't know, now I'm telling you, that when you have a low area of volume within a volume profile, it is very, very easy for a stock to move through that low area of volume, whether that be to the upside or to the downside, in this case, to the downside. So if we were to snap 275, if we were to snap major support, NVIDIA is dropping very quick. I would expect maybe 3 days max, very quick, from 275 all the way down to 226. We saw this happen with Affirm earlier in the week. If you guys want an Affirm update, please let me know. I'm still in the position. I actually was trying to average out 73, didn't get filled, but same thing, very, very small amounts of volume. We broke through support at 90, quickly dropped down to 72. Same situation with NVIDIA. And if we take a look at AMD, if I know how to type AMD, you can see same type of situation here. Good support, holding this level, bull flag couldn't hold, and now we have a very slim area of volume on this volume profile that we probably will snap through, and AMD will most definitely drop to 115. So the same exact setup is occurring on both sides, right? NVIDIA and AMD both holding major support, both coming out of a bull flag, both have very thin gaps in volume on the volume profile, and both are probably looking at a potential 15% drop if things don't go the way that they're planned. Now, for me, I closed out my position on NVIDIA. I opened up my position on AMD. The reason is because I saw some flow come in on AMD that I really actually liked over the past week. And what I did was I did a put credit spread for next Friday at like $132. So as long as AMD closes next Friday above $132, I think I'm going to make like $340. If it closes even a penny below $132, I'm going to lose like $340. So very risky, but the risk versus reward is pretty damn high. And I do think we will bounce. The reason I picked that strike is because if we don't bounce, right, even though it's risky, normally I will sell a put credit spread far below the strike, or far below the price that we're trading at right now. But the reason I went so close is because if we snap these supports, specifically like 132/130 on AMD, like we're shitting the bed, like no matter what, we're shitting the bed. So we're going to drop down and it's not even going to matter. My max loss is already going to be there. So that's why I ended up doing that. Now, looking at the flow for AMD today, honestly, nothing crazy. There was a $50 million dark pool order that came through. It was definitely a sell about an hour and a half ago, but still 50 million, nothing that crazy as far as the flow. Good flow, but nothing crazy, nothing unusual. And if we look at NVIDIA, basically same situation, nothing crazy, nothing unusual. Overall, we have to hold these supports. Like, it's across the board. If you look at most stocks right now, including S&P 500, including Dow, including IWM, we have to hold these supports. If the market rolls over and we give up these supports, not trying to fear any or get anybody scared here, but we're going to probably take like a 10% drop on like most of your favorite stocks. So it is going to be important next week. Risk management is going to be extremely important. It's the biggest thing I want to push for you guys to try to, stay on top of. Your goal is to live as long as humanly possible. Please remember that. And overall, guys, that's my position. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Check out our Discord. It's completely free. Link is in the description. And if you want, you can upgrade to get access to all my trades for $20 a month. Have a great weekend, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.